I feel like everything needs to be unboxed. It's like a proudly South African made folding table, all black. So I'm just gonna take it apart now. It's coming from Blackout Shop. Bit angry. They advertised the price before tax. I was expecting the price before tax, but when I got there, surprise, surprise, the price is more than the price I thought, but it is still cheaper than if I go to Takealot. So it's coming from a local company called Bagzeo. It's supposed to be a 1.8 meter folding table, which is lockable. Lockable is important because you want it to lock. So let's take it apart. Okay, first bit. And I love the matte black look or feel of the table. Looks good so far. Take the bottom base off. Remove it. Okay. There's this conveniently placed open mechanism. I don't want to open because I don't know whether I should first flip a switch or something. It doesn't seem like there is an opening mechanism. So as a result, I'm just gonna yank it open. And voila. Okay, everything looks about fine. I'm gonna try and take everything to the side. So I wanted a steady table because it's gonna be my work table. So I'm gonna put a 3D printer here, and I'm gonna do some electronics as well. You won't see it from the video, but there's some couple of electronics right there. I want this one to be my work area. I still have to buy, what do you call those green work sheets or plastic sheets? I'm not sure what they're called, but I saw ones from Temu for 90 rands for 3, and they're A5, A4, A3? Yeah, they're A3, so you should be able to fit this table. So I'm just gonna open it up. When they were talking about the locking mechanism, I think they're talking about this guy here. So see how you can just place it there, then lock it into place, similar to the bottom base. Place it there, lock it in place, and you're good to go. There's this convenient grab handle, which I didn't see initially, but now I know about it. So the grab handle is to the side. So the legs should lock as well. I like that they have a rubber tip so that they don't damage the floor, but standard for all tables. There's a locking mechanism here for the legs. Okay, the other one doesn't want to lock for some reason. Why? Leg number 2 doesn't want to lock. I'm just gonna Okay, just tight. Table is still like a little bit wobbling, but it's nothing bad. It's not so bad, so it's like still wobbling. If I go outwards, so you can almost see the table itself. I'm gonna put the 3D printer on top just to see how it will look. So I'm gonna have this machine here. So this is like the Creality 101 3D printer. It's resin based. So you need a work area for you to cure some of the items that you're going to be printing. So hopefully, like now that we have this table, it's gonna help out quite a bit. Okay, cool. I hope you enjoyed this review of this table. It's a basic table. I like the fact that you can lock the legs, you can lock the top, the folding bit. The table itself, the color, the black one, I do recommend. It's like nice matte black, not fully black but matte black, and it has convenient grab handles. So just gonna place this table in. I won't lie, 1.8 is quite big or long. I was expecting something which is almost 80% of this, but like it's actually quite big, and compared to my normal table which is 1.6, it's actually like a giant. So 1.6 is actually like a nice desk size. This one is quite big, but I mean, can't complain about that. So yeah, that's it. Cheers, see you on the next one.